Good afternoon. Today I want to talk to you about statutory durable power of attorneys and medical power of attorneys. Let's talk about medical power of attorneys first. First of all, what is a power of attorney? It is a document that you sign that gives a second party the right to do whatever you could do. So we're talking about medical power of attorneys. You give somebody else the right to make medical decisions that you can't or won't make. A doctor will take that medical power of attorney and will turn to that second party to make decisions about your health care. Say, for example, you are in an accident and the question is whether we should amputate to save your life. The person with your medical power of attorney can give the doctor instructions about what you'd want. So giving that document to somebody that you trust and who knows you very well is pretty important. Now, people have to also make financial decisions for themselves, and sometimes for different reasons they can't make those decisions on the spot. For example, you're going to be out of the country for 6 months or a year. Maybe you're in the military, you're in England, or you're stationed abroad somewhere. You want to give somebody who has, who's right here in the United States, the right to control your affairs, your financial affairs while you're gone. That you do with the power of attorney. But what if you don't want to give anybody that right, but you know that maybe something might happen in the future so that somebody will need that right? A case comes to mind. An older lady I know had to have chemotherapy because of breast cancer. She was older, and so the doctor told her it's going to completely wipe you out, and you're not going to really feel like paying your mortgage, paying your electric bill. The bank is not going to deal with people unless they have this power of attorney. So what she did was she gave her daughter a power of attorney that was effective for 6 months. You can also kind of be somebody who prepares for the unexpected. For example, I could walk out this door and have an accident, go into a coma for 6 months, and maybe my business would be ruined or my financial estate would fall apart. If I have a power of attorney that springs into existence, because I've said so, when 2 doctors specify I can't take care of my own affairs, that will allow the person I gave it to take over. So kind of that's one of those things you need in your arsenal of estate planning documents, both the medical power of attorney and the statutory durable power of attorney. They're important documents.